Yo, what's up, everyone? So, you've probably heard of Chime and their sweet Spot Me feature, right? It's like a little financial cushion when you're running low. But here's the burning question. Can you actually send money to someone else using Spot Me? I mean, it'd be pretty dope if you could, right? Like, you're broke but your friend's birthday is coming up and you want to surprise them with some cash. Or maybe you owe someone money and you're trying to be a good friend. Let's dive in and find out if this money-sending magic is possible. First off, SpotMe is essentially an overdraft protection service. When you're about to dip into the negatives, Chime steps in and covers you up to a certain limit. It's like a superhero saving the day from financial embarrassment. But here's the thing, superheroes have limits, and so does SpotMe. While it's awesome for covering those unexpected expenses or helping you avoid overdraft fees, it's not designed for sending money to other people. Think of it as a personal safety net, not a money transfer service. So, if you're planning to send your buddy some cash for that pizza they bought you last week, you'll need to look elsewhere. But don't worry, there are plenty of other ways to send money these days. Chime itself offers a feature called Pay Anyone, which lets you send money to friends, family, or even businesses. It's super easy and usually pretty fast. Plus, there are a bunch of other money transfer apps out there like Venmo, Cash App, and Zelle. Each one has its own perks and quirks, so you can pick the one that best suits your needs. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about those times when you accidentally overdraft and SpotMe kicks in? Can't I just send the money back once it hits my account? Well, technically, you could. But it's not exactly ideal. Remember, SpotMe is a temporary financial aid, not a loan. Chime expects you to replenish your account as soon as possible. So, relying on SpotMe to cover a money transfer isn't the best plan. So, to recap, SpotMe is a fantastic tool for avoiding overdraft fees and giving you a little breathing room when you're short on cash. But it's not meant for sending money to others. For that, you've got plenty of other options. Just remember, use SpotMe wisely and responsibly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.